Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 801 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have such a beautiful product to try out. This is the Enlighten Eyeshadow palette from the brand IBY Beauty that I just got in my April 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. I think that my April Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box is my best ultimate box that I've gotten so far, and this palette is a big reason why. I will have my unboxing video that I did on that linked in the description down below. But seriously, look at this. It is so colorful, so beautiful. There's gorgeous shimmers, there's a few matte shades. I just think this is the perfect color combo because you can do some neutrals, then you also have those gorgeous pops of color. It also has a mirror. It's such beautiful packaging, so I am just so excited about this. This is the product that I chose for my glam bag. And aside from this just looking like a beautiful palette, it also sounds amazing. The eyeshadows are infused with rose hip seed oil for added skin benefits. So I love that. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and it retails for $25. And there are 20 shades in here. So before I even get into it, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few of these colors to get an idea of the formula. So let's try out this bright green. Oh my gosh, the texture of this is amazing. So soft but buttery. Wow. And then what about this glitter? Ooh, a gorgeous pressed glitter. You know, I have to try out this bright pink, which looks like neon. Oh my gosh. What else? How about a shimmer shade? Oh, that is so beautiful. Even this neon green is so bright. And the pressed glitter is full pigmented color still. Oh my gosh, that pink. Oh, and the shimmer is metallic and gorgeous. These swatched absolutely perfect, amazing pigment. All of the different formulas, the mattes, the glitters, and the shimmers, all look amazing. I'm seriously so inspired by these colors. I feel like I could create so many different eyeshadow looks, so many different directions that I'm like a little bit stumped on what direction I want to go in. So I'm like, should I just choose at random? Like, I'm just gonna close my eyes. Where did I land? I landed right about here. So should I do a look that's like green, blue, and shimmer? I guess I should. Let's go for it. Wow, okay. So I am gonna try this with and without an eyeshadow primer. So taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, we'll just apply it to one of the eyes and see if that makes any difference in the pigment, the application, any creasing. So I'm gonna start out, I'm gonna set the eyelid with this white shade. I think it's a little bit metallic. It's not fully matte white. So that's really pretty. So prepping the eye for some pops of color because I want those colors to look as bright as possible, and setting the eyelid so that the other colors can blend easily. But this white shade is so pretty. It's so pigmented and it's like a full white. It's gorgeous. And with that metallic finish, it's a little bit icy. So I love that. That's so pretty. And then I'm going to apply my highlight. So I'm gonna go in with this shimmery shade here. These have such cute names. This one's called Spirit Animal. And I'm going to apply my highlight right under the brow. Ooh, that is a beautiful highlight shade. There's a lot of good highlight shades in this. Like, I see at least 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6, like beautiful highlight shades, which I love. A light shimmery shade. Okay, so I'm gonna be kind of working from the brow down now, and I'm gonna go for it. I'm going to, with a fluffier crease brush, apply this lime green into the crease and up towards the brow. This is going to be so fun. Oh my gosh. Even with a fluffy crease brush, which is diffusing out the color, it's still like a neon highlighter green. I am so impressed by this color and this formula. So I really want this color to be noticeable in the eye look. So I'm trying to really build it up above the crease, because with my hooded eye shape, the crease, like in the crease shades, can get lost. So I'm bringing this all the way pretty much onto my brow bone. But it is just so easy to apply. Buildable, blendable. This is going to be a very different look for me than what I've ever really worn before, but we're gonna just have fun with it. Okay, so now that I have a very prevalent neon green yellow on my eyes, we're gonna add even more color. So picking up a smaller crease brush, I'm going to pick up this beautiful blue here and focus that right underneath and into the crease. I'm hoping I can build this up to a bright pigment as well, but at first it's going on kind of light, which is still very pretty, but I'm trying to apply a lot of product to build it up, and it does seem to be buildable, which is good. So pretty. You know what? Easter is tomorrow, and I feel like I could create some really pretty Easter looks with this palette. Since there's some beautiful pastels, even this look right here is kind of giving me, you know, like Easter egg, springtime color feels. Oh gosh, it makes it so much more fun to play with color and create out of my comfort zone eyeshadow looks when the eyeshadows are this easy to use and beautiful and pigmented. Because my idea that I had in my head is actually coming to fruition because the eyeshadows are applying how I want them to. But look at this beautiful color combo, like the green to the blue. I like to get them to be a little bit more ombre without getting too muddy. Just trying to blend out the transition. This is so fun. Okay, now for the lid. I'm gonna swatch this blue and this green to get an idea on if they would be what I want. So let's see. Whoa, oh my gosh, what a surprise. That green is a duochrome. At first I'm like, what, did I pick up a brown shade? Because when I first swatched it, it looks brown, and then look, it turns green. That is so cool. And then this beautiful metallic blue. Oh, so pretty. I think I'm gonna go with the blue just because the brown duochrome isn't exactly the look I'm going for. So now with my finger, I'm gonna pick up that gorgeous blue and apply that to the outer corner of my eye. Oh, this is pretty. Beautiful metallic finish. Well, let's clean that up. That always happens when I apply with my finger. The eyeshadow goes on better, I think, more pigmented, but then it always makes a mess. But easy to wipe away. I'm gonna clean that up, blend it into the crease. Wow, this is so colorful. And then, since when I was pointing randomly, I landed here, I have to use this beautiful glitter and focus that onto the inner portion of the eye. I just love a glittery, colorful look. Oh, this is so fun. This is what makeup is all about, just having fun. You know, I'm not going anywhere, I'm staying home. So, might as well go out of my comfort zone, try and create the most colorful eyeshadow look, and have fun with it. And I really did, oh my gosh. And then I'm just blending that so there's no harsh lines and that it covers all of the eyelid. And how fun is this? I love the blue and the silver. It kind of reminds me of like a beautiful blue sky, the clouds. And then I want to finish this look up with the lower lash line, and that metallic blue shade is just so beautiful. So I'm gonna pick that up on a dense brush and smoke that along the lower lash line too. Add a little bit more of that blue. This mirror is awesome. It's nice and big. I think this is a great travel palette because you've got your easy neutrals, but then you also have those fun pops of color. So you pretty much get any color you would want in this palette. Okay, so here is my finished look. And I think it came out so good. I really didn't have an idea of what I wanted to do going into this, but this was so fun. The eyeshadows applied amazingly. Like, these are such amazing formulas. I really can't get over it. The colors are vibrant, they blend easily. Seriously, everything I want in an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to get so much use out of this. This is so fun. I just can't get over this lime green color and how noticeable it is, how much it pops. And the blue and the green, I don't wear blues that much, but seeing it on me, I'm loving it. I think I'm gonna have to do blue eyeshadow more often. Wow, so if you've tried this palette, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it, your favorite types of color combos that you've discovered with it. And if you got this palette in your Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate as well, I wanna challenge you to choose a color at random and just make an eyeshadow look. It's so much fun. It's such a great activity. You can practice your makeup skills, and this is like such a fun palette to do it with. But you know what? You don't need to do it with this palette. Do it with any other eyeshadow palette, a colorful eyeshadow palette, and let me know how that goes. I think that would be a really fun little challenge for us to do. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.